Hello, humble bakers. So, samahan niyo ako mag-bake ng brownies. So, by the way, every time na nagbe-bake ako ng brownies, I'm using 12 inches by 16 inches rectangular pan. Ang brownie butter na nilalagay ko per pan is approximately 1,100 grams. So, times 4, that's 4,400. Plus minus, nagiging mas mataas pa yun doon. Since nga nahihirapan akong gamitin yung KitchenAid 6 quarts dahil hindi siya kumakasya doon sa 6 quarts, nag-invest ako sa panibagong stand mixer, which is heavy duty also and for commercial. By the way, I'm using the Hamilton Beach commercial grade stand mixer. Yung size ng mixer's bowl nito is 8 liters or 8 quarts. So, 8 liters times 0.75 kasi yun yung pwede niyang i-mix sa loob. Approximately mga nasa 6 to 6.5 liters or quarts. Versus dun sa mixer ko na KitchenAid, which is 6 quarts times 0.75, 4.5. So, pag nagmi-mix ako dito ng brownie butter using yung KitchenAid ko, talagang tumatapon siya. And pag nagawa din ako ng cookies, umaabot siya ng 4.5 to 6 kilograms yung isang batch. At pag nagawa rin ako ng chocolate cake, isang salangan ko sa Unox, umaabot siya ng 6 kilo to 7 kilos. So, saktong-sakto talaga to. And ang maganda dito is commercial grade and heavy duty. So, kung yung KitchenAid is around 590 watts, this one is times 3, almost times 3. This is 1,500 watts. So, ganun kalakas yung power nito. And yung nabili kong KitchenAid is 110 volts lang. So, ginagamitan ko siya ng step-up transformer. And 3 beses na siyang puputok or sumasabog accidentally. Kasi nga, minsan napapabayaan ko yung staff ko and minsan ako naman. So, napapagastos na rin ako every time na nasisira. Gumagastos ako ng almost 3 to 4,000 pesos. So, sabi ko, might as well mag-invest na ako sa mas magandang mixer. Also guys, I wanted to show you bakit ako gumagamit ng weighing scale at ini-scale ko yung mga cake butter or brownie butter ko. So, gumawa ko dito ng dalawang brownies weighs 1,100 grams. Yung pangatlong brownies is around 1,150 grams. And yung pang-apat naman is 1,190 grams. And then gagamitin ko yung bago kong oven which is yung Unox Ariana LED. So nagtry na nga ako nito before at ang settings ko is for baking temp 135 degrees Celsius. For baking time, it's 35 minutes. Zero humidity and yung kanyang fan is number 1. So, ipipreheat ko lang yung ating oven. Kung mapapansin nyo, it will only take around 2 to 3 minutes para ma-preheat yung oven up to 140 degrees Celsius. So, always nagtataas ako ng temperature 5 to 10 degrees Celsius sa preheating time. Pag inopen natin yung oven, nilagay natin yung items na i-bake natin, bababa yung temperature niya. So, kailangan mas mataas siya ng konti. At least 5 to 10 degrees Celsius. Yan, inabot lang siya ng approximately less than 2 minutes para ma-preheat. And ilalagay ko na yung aking brownies. For trays, hindi ko na siya kailangan pang ikot-ikutin. Hindi ko na kailangan pang pagpalit-palitin ng level. And hindi ko na kailangan pang i-check siya from time to time. Kasi nga, nakasetup na yan dun sa Unox LED. And then makikita nyo dyan, yung difference ng luto niya kapag iba-iba yung grams nung nilalagay nyo sa cake or sa brownies. And pwede ko ring i-record yung settings na to. Pipindutin ko lang yung sa P3 until P99. Pindot lang and then eksakto na yung kanyang settings. So ito, after 35 minutes, kine-check ko yung ating brownies. And kung mapapansin nyo, merong matitira dyan na isa. Which is, yun yung mas maraming laman ng cake batter. So that's why you have to make sure na pare-pareho yung way nung cake butter or brownie butter na nilalagay nyo sa pan. Why? It also affects yung time. Kung mas marami yung isa, mas matagal siyang mabibake. Kung pare-pareho yung cake butter or yung brownie butter, sabay-sabay din siyang mabibake. Now you understand bakit kaibigan natin ang weighing scale at bakit ako gumagamit lagi ng weighing scale. Then yung isa, medyo kulang pa siya sa bake. So, mag-extend lang ako ng approximately 5 to 7 minutes. Then, after nyan, makikita nyo mamaya kung ano yung difference niya. So, pag nag-add ako ng 5 to 7 minutes, same temperature kanina, and then pipindutin ko lang yung start and automatic na yan mag-continue ng baking. Yung electric consumption ni Unox Ariana LED is 3.2 kilowatts times 80% kasi hindi naman natin tinataasan yung temperature. That's 2.56 kilowatts. If 12 pesos per kilowatt, that's 2.56 times 12 equals 30 pesos and 72 centavos. For 45 minutes, approximately 23 pesos lang yon. Tapos meron akong 96 na brownies, divide natin yung 23 pesos, approximately 24 cents lang yung cost per brownies. So, ganun siya ka sulit. In just 45 minutes, nakapag-bake na ako ng brownies na 96 pieces. So, ganun siya ka-efficient at ganun siya kasulit. And ito naman yung comparison ng KitchenAid 6 quarts versus Hamilton Beach 8 quarts. So, both are steel, made of steel. And then, yung Hamilton Beach is commercial, times 3 yung power niya versus sa KitchenAid which is around 590 watts. And yung Hamilton naman is 1,500 watts. Ito yung bowl niya in comparison. 6 quarts versus 8 quarts. And all metal gears, pati yung paddle attachment niya. Dough hook attachment, also stainless. And yung kanyang wire whisk is also stainless. And yung KitchenAid ko is kailangan ko pa ng step up transformers versus dito sa nabili ko na bagong Hamilton Beach which is ready na, pwede na gamitin sa Pinas. By the way, yung KitchenAid is around 11 kilos and yung Hamilton is around 12 kilos. So if you're interested sa mixer na Hamilton Beach, send me a direct message para ma-help kita. Yun lang, salamat!